Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the Amazon parcel locker option in Australia. If you want to add a particular Amazon parcel locker to your account as a delivery address, you just need to go into the Amazon app, then go to the You section, it says You at the bottom, then click Your Account. Scroll down to where it says Manage Address Book and tap that. Then go to add a new pickup location. Put in an address, postcode or landmark, whatever is easier for you. And then you will see where it says Amazon Locker. These are all the Amazon Locker options you can add to your address book. So depending on which one is convenient for you, you just need to click the one that you like. You can also have multiple ones and then just click on Add to Address Book. You will see that the address has been saved and it will now show up in your personal addresses on Amazon. So you can use this parcel locker to get certain orders depending on what you order. Typically things like furniture and things that are a little bit more bulky or maybe a little fragile, they're not going to get delivered to a locker, but Amazon will tell you if it's possible for you to choose an Amazon locker as a delivery option. Now on to part 2, where I show you how to use the parcel locker. So the first thing you need to do is scan the barcode, or you can hit in below like this. So I can put in the number 696. All right, and that's it. And then this opens up and there's my parcel inside. It automatically just goes to the main screen, so you don't need to do anything like sign out.